And overall, it's a very versatile dongle. Dongle? Do I say it right? Dongle? Anyways. Back in 2016, Apple decided to remove all their ports from their MacBook Pro and replace them with USB-C. While that should be a good move, it got a lot of people pissed off because they were not able to use the array of existing products and accessories with their MacBook Pro anymore since they did not have the USB-C connection on their devices. A couple years later, that trend has changed. Other companies, they've started replacing their connections with USB-C on their devices. And recently we've seen Chromebook Pixel or Dell XPS 13 that have followed the same path. Now we all should love using USB-C. It's a much better connection. It provides up to 10 gigabits per second of data transfer, which is double USB-C 3, and it can carry up to 100 watts of power. And overall, it's a very versatile connection. You get the point. The problem is, number one, not all products, accessories, and companies are offering their devices and their units with USB-C support yet, even though that's changing very rapidly. Now, the second problem is, even when all the accessories we need are available in USB-C, it is going to be expensive for consumers to go ahead and change the array of all the products that they're currently using with the ones that has USB-C support. So until that change happens for the users, we are going to need USB-C hubs. What's up everybody, my name is Sean, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time visiting, thank you so much for stopping by. Not right now, at the end of the video, if you find value in this video or learn something new, please consider subscribing and smack that like button. If you're an existing subscriber, thank you so much for hanging in there with me. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. So we're talking about USB-C and USB-C hubs. So we talked about this is a very reliable types of connection, and we know there are a lot of benefits to it, mainly much better data and power transfer. So I got this product sent to me by a company called iHapper. I think I say the name right. I'm not being paid to review this, so I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. So we're gonna open it up and take a look at it, and I will give you my true opinion and the pros and cons of this device. So in the box, we have instruction manual. By the way, this particular hub comes with 18 months of warranty. So this is it, guys. This is very similar to many other hubs and dongles that you've seen out there. So I'm gonna tell you what I think about it and why you should or should not consider this particular dongle. Dongle? Dongle. Dongle? Do I say it right? Dongle? Anyways, now, so this looks like it's made out of plastic. It's not aluminum. I don't personally mind it. If anything, maybe a little bit lighter. The product, the fit and finish looks really nice. The color is kind of like a space gray color. There's not much to this one side of it, which is the USB-C connection itself. Now let's take a look to see what we have on the side. So on one side, you have 3 USB 3.0 connection, which offers up to 5 gigabits per second of data transfer. On this end, we have HDMI with support for 4K video up to 30 Hertz, not 60. Now, you may or may not be able to tell the difference between 60 Hertz and 30 Hertz, but just want to let you know this offers up to 30 Hertz support for 4K video. You have an RJ45 port here, and you have a power pass-through port with up to 60 watts of power support. There are many of the less expensive hubs out there that they do not offer the USB-C power pass-through supports. And even the ones that they do, they normally offer anywhere between 45 to 50 watts of power transfer, but this particular hub offers up to 60 watts of power transfer. The only downside of this would be, for me, it's missing an SD and micro SD reader. If this had it, I think this would have made it an absolutely complete hub at a very, very reasonable price. This particular company, they do offer another hub that does offer SD and micro SD reader, but that is the one that comes with the 2 USB connection on the sides to fit specifically MacBook Pro lineup from 2016, 17, and 18 model. I will include the link to all these products down below, and so you guys can check them out. Also, the other thing I want to show you guys is a multi 3-in-1 charging cable that this company offers. They really brag about how strong this cable is. This, by the way, does not come in this product. This is just another product from this company. They had sent me one, so I just wanted to open it up and review it with you guys. I will include the link to this cable as well. This is an MFI certified cable. You don't have to worry about getting that annoying error message when you connect your Apple devices and saying that this accessory is not supported. Why is this a 3-in-1? So you have your micro USB, and you can convert that into a lightning cable, which is MFI certified, or you can convert that into a USB-C connection. This is a very durable device. If you look at it, I think one of the reviews shows they have tied this and they're trying to tow a car with this. I don't think anyone would need a USB cable to tow a car, but they're just trying to prove a point that this is a very, very strong cable. So unlike some of the Apple cables, you're not gonna have to worry about it breaking and tearing and falling apart. So this is it, guys. The price for their hub right now, it is at, I think, 36 bucks, but I think there's a coupon available if you go to Amazon. Now, I will include the links down below. If you guys decide to purchase this, please use the link below. This is how you will be able to support me and my channel. You're gonna pay the same price. It's not gonna cost you anymore. That's just how it would support my channel. So if you guys have any questions, or if you're currently using this particular USB hub or any other ones, comment down below. Is there any other hubs out there that you enjoy? Please let us know. Share the link with other viewers so we can all take advantage of it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you enjoy this content, please smack that like button. If you are a new visitor, thank you so much for hanging in there and watching this video. Please consider subscribing, and hopefully you will get to take advantage of some of the future videos. And don't forget to turn on the notification. See you in the next video. They still were not support.